Hello everyone, welcome to this session. On this session we will try to see the implementation of linear searching. For implementing the searching algorithm we will use C++. You can implement this kind of searching using Java, Python or other programming language. That's up to you. The most important one was on developing searching algorithm, on knowing, understanding the logic. On this one, to implement this linear searching, we would use C++. As you can see, I'm using Quincy. Quincy was the best tool for implementing a kind of C++ codes. On this one, as you already know, in any C++ programming, or when we write a program using C++, already we have to include the iStream, which is input and output streams, and in the same way we have to include this one using namespace std, was the most important one, as you know, from the course of fundamentals of programming. So let me use main function. So on this one we have to declare the index. This is our index variable. Then let's assume the value of this index was -1. Already it indicates the value was not checked on this one. Assume by default we never check the element whether it exists on the element or the array or not. We don't know. Then on this one let's assume its value would be -1. On this one, this is our variable that we need to search. Our searching element, we have to declare this one. Already variable declaration is very important. Then the third one, you can see from this one, this is our array, our data structure, which the element will be searched from. And then this one, you can see the name of the array was ARR, and its length was 7. Then its value, the values are this one. They must match with the lengths 10, 3, 7, 8, 5, 30, 40. Then let's assume our searching element is 80, which is the element that we wanted to search, this one. So to do that, we will use for loop, because we have to search our element starting from the initial up to the end. On this one, then our starting element would be the initial elements of the array. Then it starts from this one, from an index of 0, which is the first element. Then it will goes to it can goes to up to the max element, which is index of 7. Then to do that, we will use this one. Already you know how we can use for loop. But the main important one was on searching whether the element which exists on this index is matched with our searching element in this way. If that match, we can say the element is found. It is found on this index. Then we can assign index the value of this variable, our previous index variable, to I, the index which exists on that element. Then we don't need any searching. If we find we don't need any further searching, then we can make it break. Already know break. This one we have to close our for loop. Then taking that of this one, we will use if our index value is -1, then we can say the element was not found. We can display in this manner: the element is not found. On the array data structure, ls say how the element is found on this array data structure on an index of this one, at an index of this index. So then finally we can make it return to 0. Then Then by doing this one, we can implement our sequential searching or our linear searching algorithm. Then we can let's say save. Then we have to go to this one. On this one, our program says successfully built. Then let's go to this one. Let's run our course. Then it says you can see from this one the element is found at an index of 3. Let me check whether this element is found or not. You can go to this one. Index of 1 was 10, index of 0 was 10, index of 1 is 3, index of 2 this one, index of 3. Yes, of course, this element is found at an index of 3 on this array data structure. This is what we call the linear searching. Then we can implement our linear searching algorithm using this way. Hope you will implement it. If you have any errors, we will deal with it. Thank you so much.